Say, are you guys going to Davenport?
My car died and I'm late for a luncheon.
We usually don't pick up hitchhikers. But I'm gonna go with my instinct on this one.
Saddle up, partner. You're it. You're it. You're it. Quitsies!
Any quitties? You're at quitties. No, any quitties, no startsies.
You can't do that.
Can't do?
Cannot. Stamped it.
Can't do double stamped it, no erases.
Cannot. Triple stamped it. No erases. Touch blue, make it
no,
true.
no. You can't triple stamp a double stamp. You can't triple stamp a double stamp, Lloyd. You can't triple stamp a double stamp. Lloyd, you
Guys! Enough! Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?